Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navale. Today is 13 January 2023. Today's my favorite topic is string constant pool in Java. So string constant pool is nothing but a storage area in the Java heap where string literal store it is also known as the string internal pool of the string constant pool. So it is the just like object allocation by the default empty and the privately maintained by the Java string in a class. So in a class, whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in the heap, occupies some space the heap memory. Creating a number of the string may increase the cost of the memory, in which reduce the performance also. The JVM performs same step during the initializing of string literals that increase the performance and decrease memory lead. So whenever we create the string literal, the JVM first check the that literal in the string pool if the literal is already present in the pool and return the reference to the pool instance. So next is the if the literal is not present in the pool, string object take the place of the in the string in a pool. So repeating string in Java, there are the two ways of to create a string in Java using the string literals using the new keyword. So point of remember in the string pool. So let's talk about the remember string is immutable in the Java. That means the cannot be the change. All string are stored in the string pool that also allocate in the Java heap memory. So next is the string pool is the implementation of the string entering the concepts So storing the interning is the method that is the store are the copy of the each distinct string literals. So next is the string pool is the example of the flyweight of the design pattern in the string pool. So it is the just like object allocation by the default is empty and privately maintained by the Java string in the class. So whenever we create the string in the string object occupy the some space in the heap memory in the string. Creating of number string may be interface can the memory to which may reduce the performance also. Is called the string constant pool in Java. This is the main concepts of the Java. So thank you.